Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We've got Evan back in here with us this afternoon for Evan's second adjustment today. He came all the way here from Boca Raton, Florida to get his chiropractic adjustments this week. And we're seeing him twice a day for the next 3 days actually. He came in complaining of cervical thoracic pain that radiated out into his shoulder and arm and hand, neck pain, stiffness, low back pain, right sciatica, leg pain. He also had pain down in the right leg into the bottom of his foot, which is the S1 dermatome. He's got some numbness and tingling in the L5 dermatome on the left L5 dermatome, which is in the front part of the thigh here in the big toe. He has headaches, upper back pain, mid back pain, and lower thoracic pain. Did I leave anything out, Evan?
Nope.
So you got your very first adjustment here this morning. What would you share with the rest of our crack addicts worldwide about your very first experience here at the office?
It was definitely different, life-changing. It had me in a lot of tears, and it was just something I never experienced before, and just a lot of relief that I felt. So,
well, people get emotional whenever their long-term pain gets under control for the first time.
Yeah.
And that's kind of where you are right now, huh?
Yep.
You feeling better already still from just the first adjustment, right?
100%.
Yeah, great.
100%.
Now let's show them how we did that then, Evan. I'm going to have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards for me again, please, sir. And then back to neutral. A lot better. Yeah. Tons better. Okay, since this is Evan's second adjustment here, we're going to do the ring dinger on him first. Jess, you want to grab one and I'll grab the other? Oops, excuse me. Yep, that's good. Your sympathetics are under control more this afternoon.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I'm not going to get away now. Whew.
Ah, man. Here we go.
Keep your teeth together. Don't bite your tongue. Breathe through your nose for me. Nope, wrong way. There it is. Boy, oh boy. Another home run. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Wow. Yep.
Yep. Cool. Reflexes are still +2 equal and active. Deep breath. Yeah, just exhale though. There you go. See, it works so much better when you just let go. And breathing is the best way to relax. Because when you think about relaxing too much, you actually tighten up more. Let me help you up sideways. Grab my right hand. There you go. Bring your legs over. Perfect. Okay, let's come over here on you. Tell me next.
Oh, man.
You okay?
Yes.
Okay. Face down in here, please, sir. Legs are even this afternoon. They stay even. Did that tighten up as much as it did this morning?
No, sir.
Cool deal.
Oh.
Yes, sir. There we go. Whew. Crackhead's gonna love you too, Evan.
I hope so.
Yeah. Does that hurt at all?
Nope.
Great.
I am a crack.
Yep. Boca Raton crack addict. I'm sure we got a lot of them down there. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back. We see a ton of patients from Florida.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And don't they have chiropractors down in Florida? Not like you. Nope. Yep, slide down this way about an inch and put both arms out like this for me now. Yes, sir. Let me put your hands right here. Put this right leg go like a limp rag for me. There we go. You should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your low back.
Yep.
There you go. Perfect. Good job. Okay, let's sit jet face toward Jess. Let me help you. There we go. Look how straight, said he's sitting up straight right now. There. These aren't cracking as much as they were this morning. There you go. Yep. There. Yes, sir. Okay, let's stand over here and let me shoot you again. Wow. I'm impressed already too. You're gonna be a quick steady, aren't you, Evan?
I hope so.
That's a good thing, yep. There we
Yes,
go.
sir.
Okay, let's pull these guys here. Way back here. There we go, good, now relax. Try that same thing again, see if you have any pain anywhere. That hurt anywhere?
Nope. A lot less.
Good deal. Well, this is your second adjustment here this afternoon. What would you share with our crack addicts about your experience with my three-dimensional adjusting on the XYZ axes versus what you'd had before?
You gotta come in here. It's nothing like any other chiropractors really have.
Mm-hmm.
Don't wait to come in here.
Yeah.
I've been watching the videos for about 3 to 4 months, and I didn't want to make the mistake of waiting, so I got right in here.
Smart player.
Yes, sir.
Great. Well, we're glad to have you here on the team.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, with Evan from Boca Raton, Florida. We'll see y'all soon.